Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm RexFinance and thank you for joining me for today's video. I'm competing right alongside millions of other creators on this platform for your time, so it really means a lot to me that you chose to click on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my best to explain the truth about stock market YouTubers. Everybody's seen it out there in the community, especially as the stock market has been tumbling for a lot of our high-flying growth stocks that are talked about a lot on YouTube. People are saying that YouTubers are scams. They don't know what they're doing. Why would anybody listen to YouTubers? They're scumbags. They're ripping people off. All these different things. But I'm going to be giving you my own perspective on this today from a stock market YouTuber himself. Obviously, if you guys are new here, I am a stock market YouTuber with almost 30,000 subscribers. And right off the bat, I wanted to say that I am pissed off at the finance community on YouTube right now. Not the viewers, but actually the creators. So hopefully you guys are enticed to watch this video. I would highly encourage you to watch this video throughout its entirety and let me know down in the comment section below what you think about this topic. So let's start this video out. Literally for every single finance YouTuber out there, big or small, our stats on YouTube have looked the same. Viewership is going like this. Subscribers are going like this, paid members are going like this, our portfolios are going like this. So that's a preface to this video. It has not looked pretty for finance YouTubers, from the biggest of content creators of millions of subscribers to the guys like me or even smaller than me. Viewership is down, rightfully so, because we're recovering and our economy is opening back up. People aren't spending all day on YouTube anymore, and to top all of this off, our favorite high-flying growth stocks have been in the toilet to start this year in 2021. The reason I'm kind of pissed off at stock market YouTubers right now goes back to something that I've said for a long time now. The YouTubers that were coming out with new stock pick every single day, sometimes multiple times a day, they truly didn't have the viewer in their best interest. And we're seeing that now because all those YouTubers have disappeared. They've stopped creating content. And guess what? Those same YouTubers that were putting out a new stock pick every day were the same ones that were accepting checks worth tens of thousands of dollars for sponsorships to talk about stocks on YouTube. I, for one, and keep in mind, I only have 30,000 subscribers. I was offered over $100,000 to talk about specific stocks. I turned down every single one of them because it ruins my credibility, and I truly believe that. I'm not in this for my own self-interest, like so many other people are. I truly am interested in the viewer and helping you guys hopefully create a better financial future for yourself after stumbling across my channel. That has been my message from day one. I can't take anything I have with me when I die, but what has an everlasting impact is hopefully the information that I provide to people to better themselves financially, which then they can take and pass down to their children or their friends. That has been something I've been after from day one. Now, it needs to be said that stock market YouTubers are no different than the everyday investor. We want our stocks to go up. The stocks we talk about on YouTube, we want to go up, just like every other investor out there. It's just the way it is. I would say the majority of stock market YouTubers don't hope the stock price will go up as a result of their videos. I think that's pretty unrealistic unless it is such a tiny market cap with such a low float and low outstanding share count. But I think that's pretty unrealistic. I don't think most YouTubers out there make videos just to make their stocks go up, like so many people in the community are talking about right now. I've never made a video with intentions of affecting the market for a stock or hoping that the bid will push the price up. I've never done that. The stocks I talk about on my YouTube channel, I've lost subscribers because of this. I only talk about 5 or 6 stocks on this YouTube channel. I don't put out a new stock pick every single day like so many stock market YouTubers used to do when the market was flying high. That's something I've never done. You can go back and look at the history of my YouTube channel. I've never done that. The stocks I talk about on this YouTube channel are truly investments that I believe in, and they're stocks that I believe are going to return great gains to investors regardless of whether I'm making videos on those companies or not. So let's get back on track a little bit now. You can go back and watch my channel and see that I've said this multiple times. I said that when the markets tank, you're going to see stock market YouTubers disappear. And I specifically mentioned the ones that were creating new stock pick videos every single day of the week. And what do you know? What happened? Those stock market YouTubers had disappeared. So right now in this video, I'm going to predict this. As the rotation back to our high-flying growth stocks returns, so will those stock market YouTubers. They'll start making daily picks again. multiple videos a day on new stocks every day of the week. I predict that that's going to happen right now. We're slowly starting to see money come back into these stocks. And guess what? These YouTubers, honestly, in my opinion, a lot of them, 50% or so, purposely try and manipulate their viewers. And that is what pisses me off. It pisses me off so much. Like, I think I've lost sleep because of it. It makes me mad. Because, in my shoes, the way I look at this, my 30,000 subscribers, you have made my YouTube channel. You have made my life, right? You have put me in the position I'm in right now. So what in the heck gives me the right to rip you guys off or manipulate you guys for my own financial gain? This is where we get back to the daily stock picks, new stocks every single day. Oh, this is a great stock to buy today. This one's another great stock to buy today. Tomorrow, this is another great stock to buy. So on and so forth. In my eyes, that's not okay. There is not one single investor out there that can keep up with all of those stock picks the way they should. If somebody is giving you a new stock pick on a daily basis, that is warning flag number one, because that tells you that they are not doing the research they need to do before talking about a stock in depth. It takes time to do due diligence on companies. For me, I spend hours and hours and hours. I probably spend more hours out of my day than I do studying for college or with friends. Like, I spend a lot of time doing this, and I've talked about probably a total of 20 to 30 stocks in the existence of my YouTube channel. It takes time to do that. And when you have a YouTuber coming out with 3 new stock picks every day, in my eyes, steer clear of that person, right? Because it is clear to me that, and maybe they're just raised different, but I can't understand it. I seriously can't understand it. Those same YouTubers will take sponsorship deals to talk positively about stocks they have no clue about. What are they doing? They're ripping off the viewers. They're manipulating you guys for their own financial gain. In my eyes, why would I ever accept a $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 check to talk about a stock that I don't believe in? That's enriching me and ripping everybody else off. I get it. We're not financial advisors, but the bottom line is everybody has viewers on YouTube that blindly follow what they do. It's the fact of the matter. Companies wouldn't pay those big bucks to get YouTubers to talk about their stock if it wasn't the case. So, I don't know. This is just a rant video, as you can tell, but I couldn't keep it in any longer. I don't know what you guys think about this, but that's my own opinion. The YouTubers coming out with new stock picks every day, I think you should steer clear of them. It's a warning flag. Think about it. Any legit YouTuber out there, meet Kevin, Andre Jick, Jeremy from Financial Education, Dead Inside. I'll give Dead Inside credit. They're not coming out with new stock picks every day. They believe in the stocks they own, and they're sharing that information with other viewers to hopefully help those viewers out. 50%, I would say half of the stock market YouTubers out there don't share that same mindset, and they effectively rip off and manipulate their viewership for their own financial gain. That drives me crazy. I've already stated it. It drives me crazy. So today, and I've said this in the past as well, but I'll promise it again. I, for one, will never rip my viewers off or manipulate my viewers for my own personal financial gain. Seriously. I can't take anything I have with me when I die, but the impact I can leave on humanity has an everlasting impact. That's what I'm after with this YouTube channel. I don't care about the $100,000 plus that I've missed out on by turning down sponsorships for companies. It doesn't matter to me. I can't bring myself to do it. I don't know if I was raised differently than a lot of these other people, but the fact of the matter is there are so many YouTubers out there that accepted those checks. They accepted those 5-figure checks to talk about penny stocks, talk about risky stocks in a positive light. And that's the thing. Whenever I have gotten an email from a company asking me to cover their stock, they say, we will pay you if you talk positively about our company and our stock. Most of them don't want you to give your honest opinion. They say, we will pay you if you talk positively about it. And there are several YouTubers that have been caught up in this. I'm not going to throw anybody under the bus. I think it's pretty easy to tell who they are. But I don't know. I hope you guys can see that I'm being honest with you right now, I honestly am pissed off at this. It drives me nuts that people put themselves like this before others when the community that they have literally has put them in the shoes that they're wearing. Without my community, my channel would be useless. Without my community, I wouldn't be able to do what I love and make YouTube videos on stocks. You guys support me financially. This is how I'm doing it. This is how I'm paying for college. But why would I rip you guys off and turn a blind eye to it? It doesn't make sense to me. I don't know. What am I missing? If I'm missing something big, please let me know down in the comment section below. But I'll tell you right now, I've never accepted a single dollar from a company or an affiliated party or a management team member from a company to talk about their stock. I never have done that. The stocks that I've talked about and I believe in on this YouTube channel, I have done my own research on. I have invested my own capital in, and payday is going to come if my bullish thesis on these companies is correct. That's when payday comes. So when these stock market YouTubers start coming back and the stocks start going up again that we all love, I just issue you some caution. If a YouTuber you watch is giving you a new stock pick every single day of the week, it's unrealistic. They don't understand the business model. That's humanly impossible to be able to digest everything you need to know about a company in order to make a fundamental analysis of whether or not you should buy that company. It's not possible. So, at least in my eyes, that's warning flag number one. If you see a YouTuber coming out with a new stock pick every single day of the week, I'd steer clear of them, but that's just me. And I can't choose what you guys click on. I can't do that. I'm just giving you my own honest opinions from what I have experienced in this community with people, influencers, creators getting paid to talk about stocks that they know nothing about and talk about them in a positive light at that. Other scams out there include YouTubers or other influencers on YouTube in general promoting different tokens, cryptocurrency tokens. All of them have zero value without the community buying up and bidding up the price. And guess whose payday it is? It's the influencers by ripping their own community off. So it pisses me off. I've said it. I'll leave this video at that. But yeah, I guess let me know down in the comment section below what you think of this. It's difficult for me to throw my own industry under the bus here on YouTube, but I think it just needs to be said. I mean, I truly care about you guys that are watching this video. It truly makes my day. It truly makes me smile every time I wake up to know that I have such a large community backing me. And it makes me sick. It makes me sick thinking about how other YouTubers out there rip off their own community that has given them everything they have. Like my community, thank you. Anybody watching this video, thank you so much because you've made my life. You helped me pay off college. You give me monthly income. It means a lot to me, and I mean it. I truly mean it. I'm not in this for a quick payday. I'm not in it because it's meaningless. Money is meaningless. You can't take it with you when you die. I'm working at this to create an everlasting impact. So, thank you. Seriously, you watching this video, I mean it. Thank you. If I ever get a chance to shake your hand in real life, I hope it happens because you mean so much to me, and I'm honestly saying that. So as our stocks start to recover, I wish you all luck. I wish you all great investing success. I think we're in for a great rest of the year, rest of 2021. But yeah, if you guys, I don't want to turn this into a pitch for supporting me, but if that's something you're interested in and supporting me and in my journey, my financial journey, with paying for college and paying for all the other expenses and everything, feel free to join the membership. My membership's a lot different than many others, and that's part of the reason that people stick with my membership and they leave other memberships because we're built different. I preach things that will leave an everlasting impact, and I honestly don't want anybody to blindly follow my picks. I don't want that to happen. I want people to learn instead of blindly follow what I'm doing, if that makes any sense. But if you're interested in that, feel free to hit the join button down below. And if you don't see the join button, there'll be a link in a pinned comment to my Patreon. It would mean a lot to me, but I'm thankful for your support, whether you're a paid member or not. Seriously, if you're just watching this video, thank you so much. It means so much to me. You're supporting me just as much as a paid member is. just in different ways. So with that, guys, I'm going to leave this video here. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. Again, let me know down in the comment section below what you think about everything I've stated today. I know it was probably all over. I ranted a little bit, but I needed to get it off my chest, I guess. So thanks for listening, I guess. I mean, I'm talking to a camera right now, but I know that thousands of you are going to click on this video. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and have a great rest of your day. Have a great weekend. Peace out.